Good morning. Myself Navneet Jain. I am lecturer in electrical engineering here in electronics department of RC Ketan Polytechnic College, Jaipur. I teach subject EL 202 circuit analysis for second year electronics students. Today I am going to deliver topic parallel resonance 6.2. Now we start with PPTs. Parallel resonance circuit diagram. If the resonance occurs in parallel RLC circuit, then it is called as parallel resonance. Consider the following parallel RLC circuit which is represented in phasor domain. This is the circuit diagram. Here resistance, inductance, capacitance all are in parallel. Here the passive elements such as resistor, inductor, capacitor are connected in parallel. This entire combination is in parallel with the input sinusoidal current source. Write nodal equation at node P. By nodal analysis and applying Kirchhoff's current law, we get minus I plus IR plus IL plus IC equal to 0. Here I is the source current and IR is the current through resistance. IL current is current through inductor and IC current through capacitance. So minus I plus IR plus IL plus IC equal to 0 according to Kirchhoff's current law. By putting the values of IR, IL, IC, we get minus I plus V upon R plus V upon Z XL plus V upon minus J XC equal to 0. Further, I equal to V upon R minus J V upon XL plus J V upon XC, or I equal to V into 1 upon R plus J into 1 upon XC minus 1 upon XL, as shown in this equation number 1. The above equation is in the form of I equal to Vy. Y means admittance. So we get Y equal to 1 upon R plus J into 1 upon Xc minus 1 upon XL. Now this is again a diagram of RLC parallel circuit and phasor diagram of current and voltage. As shown in this diagram, phasor diagram and circuit diagram, at parallel resonance, IC minus IL sin phi L equal to 0. IC is current through capacitance and IL sin phi L is the current, vertical component of the current through resistance and inductance. So at parallel resonance, IC minus IL sin phi L equal to 0. Means IC equal to IL sin phi L. Or putting the value of IC and IL and sin phi L, we get V upon XC equal to V upon ZL into XL upon ZL. Simplifying this equation, we further get XL XC equal to ZL square. Putting the value of XL and XC, we get omega L upon omega C equal to ZL square. So further simplifying this equation, we get L upon C equal to R square plus 2 pi F R L whole square. Whole square of 2 pi F R L equal to L upon C minus R square, or 2 pi F R L equal to under root of L upon C minus R square, or Fr equal to 1 upon 2 pi L under root of L upon C minus R square. Further, we get FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 upon LC minus R square upon L square. Now, if the coil resistance is small, as is generally the case, then FR will we get FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. This is resonance frequency, same as that of in series resonance circuit. So resonance frequency equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. In both the cases, series resonance and parallel resonance resonance frequency is same. Next. Now, impedance at resonance. It is shown in this diagram also, the variation of impedance with frequency. So first we derive the condition line current equal to IR equal to IL cos phi L. Putting the value of IR, IL cos phi L, we get V upon ZR equal to V upon ZL into R upon ZL, or 1 upon ZR equal to R upon ZL square, or 1 upon ZR equal to R upon L by C. Since ZL square equal to L upon C from equation first, we get ZR equal to L upon CR. So the impedance ZR, that is equal to L upon CR, at parallel resonance is known as equivalent or dynamic impedance. So this is the dynamic impedance. Note that ZR is a pure resistance because there is no frequency term present. As the formula shows that there is no frequency component, so it is pure resistance. Further, the value of ZR is very high because the ratio L upon C is very large at parallel resonance. So in this diagram, below we see this diagram, this variation of impedance with resonance. At resonance frequency, it is very high, that is equal to Z equal to R. And below this resonance frequency, the circuit is inductive because XC is greater than XL. And above this frequency of resonance frequency, the circuit is capacitive. Here XL is greater than XC. But at FR, Z is maximum, that is equal to R, and known as dynamic impedance. Is it clear? Next. Line current at resonance. So now at parallel resonance, the line current IR is minimum and is given by IR equal to V upon ZR, where ZR equal to L upon CR. Because ZR is very high, as we have seen in earlier PPT, IR will be very small. The small current IR is only the amount needed to supply the resistance losses in the circuit. This minimum current is only responsible for losses in resistance. So here is the diagram, variation of current with frequency. At resonance frequency FR, this current is minimum. And this, the variation of below FR and above FR is shown in this diagram. Now, we have studied about series and parallel circuit. Now, here it is the comparison between series circuit and parallel circuit. So, serial number 1, impedance at resonance. Series circuit, here impedance ZR equal to R. In parallel circuit, this is maximum and ZR equal to L upon CR. Second, current at resonance. In series circuit, maximum IR equal to V upon R, and in parallel circuit, this is minimum IR equal to V upon ZR. Power factor at resonance in both the cases, unity. The resonance frequency FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC for series circuit, and for parallel circuit FR equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root 1 upon LC minus R square upon L square. This is in ideal condition. Fifth, when F is less than Fr, the series circuit is capacitive. And for parallel circuit, it is inductive. Sixth point, when F is greater than Fr, series circuit is inductive and parallel circuit is capacitive. Seventh, Q factor. Q factor for series circuit is equal to XL upon R and same as that of parallel circuit, XL upon R. Eighth, it magnifies, series circuit magnifies the voltage and parallel circuit magnifies the current. So this is all about parallel circuit, resonance conditions, the derivation of resonant frequency conditions, and some variations of impedance, current with frequency. This is the end of this topic.